Walking the trail, South Fork State Park. He's going to the Stone House. It's just over a mile. I don't know how far we went so far, but that's where we're at. Walking the trail, deep in the woods. This is a true trail right here. It's not like all man-made, all nice. Done with the path. No, this is nice. This is true woods here. Rocks stepping over. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Got the lake out that way. The family way up there. There, that's me behind. Yeah, be careful not to let some of the stuff touch me. I'm in shorts. Nice. Back to the lake here. What are you talking about, Greg? This is awesome. This is like right here, the lake part is the best part of this trail so far. What are you talking about there?
She needs wood.
I'm recording and my sister's talking about how she needs wood. She's insane. I'm not even going to tell you guys if you didn't hear what she said. I'm not even going to say it. So what is this? The tree you're talking about looked like it fell here. That is weird.
It looked like it broke, but it grew that way.
It broke then grew back or something? That is weird. Yeah, that is strange. Yeah, we gotta watch out with being in shorts and what touches our legs, man. We're gonna be itching later. Nice tall trees. Something's crying. Can't see it. Hear it. Some big trees going on. You guys like woods? This is a good one right here. This is nice. Got lake, got tall trees, rocks, wildlife, family in front of me. But nah, this is good stuff right here. This is a cool walk. Don't you think, hon? There's a wife over there. I'm up very high. Oh, another beautiful view. Boom, there's the sun. Awesome. That's awesome. Boom, the view again. Is that awesome? It is awesome. It seems to be those markings on the trees or on the whole trail, so it probably just marks this trail red. Yeah, because there's different trails, so it probably just leads it to this one. The trail gets real narrow in some spots, doesn't it? Man, some of those trees are huge though, aren't they?
Look at this over here, Roger. This is nice.
I'm getting there. What is it? Hey, it's people. Wave. Hi, people.
Growing in the middle of it.
What's that?
There's a couple slabs of rock with a tree growing like in between them. That's nice.
Alright, I'm getting here.
Isn't that nice? That's cool.
It is neat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Greg's picturing. I'm getting in the picture. He's trying to picture. This is cool though. It's like a little thing that goes underneath. Like a mini little cave, man. It's cool. Got the moss on the side of the tree. Or not the tree, but the rock. Yep, take a picture of me. Video recording you. Oh, this is neat though.
Yeah, that's very neat.
You gotta get in it, man. You gotta get on this. Wow, that tree goes up there. It is awesome up here. You gotta get in it, man. I'm not jumping off that side though. What's that? Yeah, I'll go back the way I came, I guess. That is cool.